Hello students, hope everybody is fine at their home. Welcome to my new video session, and this particular video session we are going to discuss about speaking module. As majority of students struggle to get 6 or 6.5 bands in their speaking module. So here are some tips and tricks which they can apply to crack their speaking exam. So here is the first tip, that be a confident user of English language. So, the most common difficulty that faced by academic student is that they often get nervous when they have to appear for a speaking, either in their coaching classes or for the exam also. So here, don't ever get afraid of making mistakes, because if you make mistakes, only then your teachers will correct you. ਸੋ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੁਝ ਵੀ ਸਿੱਖਣਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੋ ਉਹਦੇ ਲਈ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਗਲਤੀਆਂ ਕਰਨੀਆਂ ਹੀ ਪੈਣੀਆਂ, ਆਪਾਂ ਗਲਤੀ ਕਰਕੇ ਹੀ ਸਿੱਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਸੋ ਉਸ ਗਲਤੀ ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਡਰ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਨਾ ਰੋਕੋ। always try to speak in English, whether you speak it in a wrong way, but always try to speak in English, because if you speak in English then you can correct a lot of your mistakes, such as your accent, your fluency to speak, your fluency, as well as you can also work on your pronunciation. So this is the most important for the speaking exam, as you have to correct the words in there. You can also get to know about the pronunciation mistakes, as this is the most desired component when you are going to assess for your speaking exam. The second tip is listen to examiner carefully. So this is also very most important tip, because in a hurry sometimes we do not listen to examiner and we give wrong answer for a particular question. So you always have to listen examiner very carefully. The third tip is always present your answer with valid reason and elaboration. Do not always give your answer in just one line. You have to define your answer, why it is wrong, why it is right. So always you have to give reason for that particular question. Then the next is, do not give answer in only yes or no. Such as, do you like eating ice creams? Then you give answer, yes, I like eating ice cream. So always do not do such kind of mistakes in your speaking exams. Here you have to give the reason why you like ice creams. So this is the way you have to attempt for your speaking questions. Then the next tip is develop ideas quickly. Do not take too much time when the examiner put question. You have to give your answer quickly. So this is another tip. Our next step is concentrate on your fluency while speaking and avoid pauses. Sometimes students give chunking, that they give the sound of So you have to avoid making such sound, and you also do not have to give too much pauses while speaking. And the next tip is apply voice modulation technique. Voice modulation techniques means you have to stress on your voice. Sometimes you have to give it a very slow pace, or you have to speak at a very slow pace, and sometimes you have to speak at a high pitch. So these are voice modulation techniques that you have to use in your speaking. Then the next tip is use less used vocabulary to boost speaking bands. This is a most important tip, as to enhance your speaking band score you have to use vocabulary in your answers. So try to learn new vocabulary and less common used vocabulary. The next step is for your cue cards. In your cue card, while giving the answer of cue cards, you have to give your emphasis on the ideas. You have to create a storyline. You have to put your ideas in that, so that you make an effective cue card. The next tip is elaborate your follow-up answers as much as you can. And you can also give real lifetime examples while explaining the follow-up questions. It definitely put a very good impact for your speaking band scores if you are using examples for your speaking. The next step is speak in front of mirror to enhance confidence level. This tip is for the students who are very introvert, who feel shy while speaking in front of others. So you can practice at home while speaking in front of mirror. This will definitely help you to gain, or you can enhance your confidence level. Next step is record yourself. Always use your mobile or recorder to record when you speak, and then listen to it for rectifying your mistakes. This is the best method for practicing your speaking, as when we listen what we have spoken, then we definitely find errors for that particular audio, and by this we learn more and more. The next step is you can ask examiner to repeat questions by saying pardon if you don't understand. Sometimes we do not understand what is the demand of questions or what is the question that the examiner have asked from us. So in such cases you can repeat the question by saying pardon to examiner. And the last step is always take care about tenses while giving answer of cue cards, as most of the cue cards are based on past tense, on future tense. So here this is the most effective tips, that always take care about the tenses whenever you have to give answers for your speaking. So these are all the tips that you have to take or you have to keep in your mind whenever you have to attempt for your speaking exam. So for any query you can comment in the comment box, and always give your support to my videos, share it with your near and dear ones so that they can also get knowledge from it. Thank you so much.